close to my heart. So this is it. So it's nice. The packaging is so nice. Yeah. Faith lip. Yeah. I ordered it in Faith lip. Wow. There is a free sticker. And this is the wow, it's so legit and it's really nice. I love it. And I always going to wear it every day, anytime. Thank you, Faith Lip. I'm going to enjoy wearing this because it's very important to me. Thank you so much. And see, it's so nice. Thank you, Faith Lip, for this order. And it's delivered good and well. And I'm going to enjoy wearing this. Thank you so much.